Dalton's back. Oh,
We're running red. What's up, guys? Yeah, I only have
3-0 Hurricanes.
3-0.
Oh yeah. What's that thing?
No way. That's good. Wait, who's tonight?
No, I'm gonna go pick her up and then
Take it back. One more in the corner. Oh yeah.
Bye, Ñengo. Gabe, I'll see you at the Dolphins game. Dale. Oh, right in the car.
Injury timeout. Give him another wing right.
No baller boy good. Are you leaving? Yeah, bro, you can't even slide it. I got some grub I could eat now.
Oh my god.
Oh my, he's hot.
Shit.
Wait. No, he just hit you back.
yeah, they.
Yeah, that was the wrong one.
I want to stop it though.
No, don't stop it. Why are you stopping it?
This.
No, don't stop it. Let that shit run.
Went down there.
No, it's only on the 2 minutes.
That's right.
You didn't get that. You didn't get that big. Put me on your cheek.
He didn't lower his shoulder.
Hey, Doug Chick Challenge.
No!
Oh my. That was a fucking dot.
3!
Oh. He doesn't miss twice.
Yo, down.
Good work. Give it to your shooter. All the way. Hey.
Ale, you have 8 points. You have more than the whole team. You're outscoring both teams right now.
It was a rough game, but to be honest. Not like they were playing defense. Really? Wow.
What a pass.
Oh. Dalton's back. Go, Dalton. What are you going to get us to eat? Talking balls? Did you already Tyler? Is Tyler coming out with us today? Yeah, he is. Manny's coming too. Fighting the whole NBA. You have to wear your jersey. Cool. Oh, bro, he's like fucking 18. Yeah, right. He does not look old. Oh, that guy. He hit one, right?
8-1.
8-1. Holy cannoli.
It's a blowout.
I love you, Ramon. Yeah, brother. Alice fucking. Oh my. Oh, that's Joe, man. Yeah, don't leave him open. Group 2. Be there.
I learned Loki, I'm going to stay outside.
You got to be done. You got to get one on double.
Viper ball.
Because these rims like send the ball so far.
He might get good every game. I thought he faded one. That was that Wawa. And then Dawson walking is like, yo, he faded on the cross and say hi. Yo, okay, I was about to say he's hot. That was a steal leader last year. Shoot it again! Go D, you can do it.
I was right behind him. We were on the same team.
Oh my god.
Have you played on the same team as D?
Love to see it, man. 10-1. Inspirational.
No, I'm on the low. I'm on the low.
So,
Oh yeah, we both played.
yeah.
You were the one that threw the game.
Was that? No, that was. It was in the playoffs.
Yeah,
I threw the game.
No, he threw it.
No, it was me because
10-3.
I got Dennis a wide open layup. I got by, and
Oh, I remember that. Nah, but I don't think
it
it's
slipped.
I do it.
Yeah,
Yeah, but you
I think I would have tied it.
You had like the most points. But I do hand one at the end. And him on the other hand. Is that I had 5 way more though. Did you not call a foul?
It was good we got close.
Bro, we could have beat them. Lucky. If I had a better game, we would have beat them.
Hey, Robert.
I don't think we had something.
Nah, it was horrible. The Mondo Lopez put up a stinker. He's definitely Hall of Fame. Oh shit.
I feel like
You got blocked out.
Remember the clip you got on our
Super.
Mondo?
Oh my god. Yo, this guy has all the points.
43.
Welcome to the Bandits number 4.
does he have all
Nah. Someone else scored.
Yes, 10.
It's 10.
Be nice to your teammates.
I'm not locked in. I can't do the show. About that. Let's go green. Wait, am I adding points?
But we played the front
Three.
You went off?
on guard.
Yeah, I mean, we felt that in the time.
It's like he's also part of the
Oh, he doesn't even
gets
have
it
like
there,
crazy
man.
moves. He just like flies
It's
fast.
that he has the reach for
Yeah,
it.
I ain't like that layup, bro. You could like stupid long
Yeah, he has hella length. And when he goes under the rim.
That's what I'm saying. And he can shoot, so.
Yes.
And he's going defense.
4-5.
Not trying to glaze.
Yeah.
You are a little bit.
He's a little bit.
Yeah, this is it on you.
No, he's like a good, like a player. If I create my own NBA team, you know, maybe you can.
Oh, really?
No.
Probably
Who would be your first pick?
Like that, that's if I can't choose myself.
JoJo?
First game. James.
Probably.
Are you going out with him?
Fuck, it's hot. You know that, it's hot. Clock.
Alex J. It's on?
Now.
Oh, should we go? So should we go or not? Julie gets the ball.
You got
Yeah. Oh, so it wasn't inside. It wasn't like a team.
Yeah, I wasn't.
Stop them.
What score?
Oh, but it's probably like me,
Gabe,
right?
keep passing my hat. It's in the bin.
Or like, did he just kill him for no reason?
Yeah, you got into an
Where's the game? Oh, have you gone? Is it better than Green?
They just feel fast. Oh, it actually used to give us crap though. Like,
15-5.
dang.
This is a blowout?
15-5.
Huh?
Who won it?
Green.
Green?
Oh, like the cover? Oh, but it's meant to be 21.
Got it. Go ahead.
Hey! Oh my god, it's continuation!
Back him on the fence.
I think it is.
Wait, was that and one? North?
After finish time.
Smack them at his foot.
Make it in.
How did they get active?
I mean, the one time I went to a party was when we started talking to like elementary class.
Oh,
Hey! Hold it! Like, yeah, like you. Tyler, would you yell at me at the club? Would you yell at me at the club?
Two shots.
If I tried to fight? Did you graduate, Tyler? Did you graduate yet?
Yeah.
Where are you gonna go?
I started.
You better say community service. You want to transfer eventually or you want to do all 4?
6:15.
Yep.
6:50 remains.
Alright. I think you'll make it out of day. Huh? You'll make it out of day for sure.
goodness.
I got the trenches.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to wrap it in.
That's what Ant wants to do too. Ant wants to do like something like that. Like,
18-6.
Oh, I thought you were talking about rapping.
no. No. That's not involved. Leto, number 33. Rob's a smooth operator. Good pass.
18-8.
How you looking?
Yeah, boy, what a work, what a work.
300 bucks.
Good work, good work.
That's what your birthday.
Good work, good work. Yeah, yeah. Good work. 17-9. 17-9.
God damn. Fuck.
Tyler, who'd you see it out on? Out on D?
Yeah. No.
Hurricane ball.
I got out on green.
Oh, all right. Viper ball then.
Damn, I crossed
I
myself.
thought D lost. I didn't see
Good
it.
pass.
myself when I see
19-9.
That's why I couldn't like see it. Like, I know-
535 rolling.
Both of y'all said it, I just don't know.
That's it. Good shot. 19-12.
I'm gonna rock this up too. Or what?
Come on, man!
Well, he's 27. Oh, when did I graduate?
Yeah. Same thing. I was trying to see how much
I graduated.
older you were.
You've been classified twice though. I did.
Viper ball.
I read you.
Apparently, you could go from a junior year. But you can't be
Stop
classified.
time.
Yeah, stop.
440 rolling. 440 rolling.
You can't be past 20 when you graduate.
So this is your second year.
A lot of bullies at FIU.
Yeah.
Like you.
Yeah, I went this summer. I got bullied. Yeah.
I usually just get tickets.
Nah, but they feel like it was like 5. They pushed me in the lake, but they all jumped into it.
Oh, nice.
So it was like a party.
And they drowned.
Almost.
Was Armando Lopez one of them?
Yeah, it was actually only Mondo.
With these do-rags.
I'm not guardian.
Nah, but I only have one. In person. Like 3 online.
18-10.
No, for
Oh, for ball?
yeah, no.
Wait, nobody's in club anymore. Nobody's in club anymore. Yo, Tyler, you know what they call David?
What do they call this?
They call him Willy Wonka. You can only imagine.
I actually don't know why do they call it this?
Like Trump.
I do like that.
And that's cool with me.
I got that.
The bisexual Willy Wonka.
Oh.
Take over, Rob. That's tough.
I play on. I'm actually going on Thursday.
On Thursday? Why not? I leave Saturday. No, Friday. I leave Friday night. Before the game.
Yeah, I went the summer basketball class.
25-12.
I never stayed. Yeah.
I would never let that happen. Nah, it's good runs at FIU.
Yeah, I heard it's like more common, like LA.
Nah, no, bro, you go there and sometimes you see like a 5. Oh my God, he's back!
26.
26-14, yep. on, bro. Show some energy. I'm actually gonna make it in there.
I go
Love to see it, man. 31-14.
But did you drive?
No, dude, what's wrong with you?
Oh, you didn't drive?
Why would you think about that?
Oh my God.
Don't forget, go to the other room.
Donnie.
The other side.
Oh, that's it,
Oh, that's you needed that. 2 minutes.
20-31. Stop clock. Yo, stop clock, stop clock.
Nice shot.
That's all. I forgot about stop clock. Yeah, go? Yeah, go.
Yeah.
24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 18, 17, 16, 3. 24, 23, 22, 21, 22.
What was that?
22, 31. 24, 23,
Shot clock.
22, 21, 20, 24, 23, 22, 21, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Hey! 24, 31. Time up.
Let's go.
You can call in after.
Vince, 28.
10
Ready?
seconds. 9, 8,
24,
7,
Hey, yo, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
5, 4, 3, 2,
They're not holding you.
1.
18, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10,
Right there, fade away.
8,
33,
7,
12.
6,
Good move.
Yes, good fight.
24,
How does the ankle mount?
22, 21, 20,
My ankle's actually not a weak.
19.
Watch the camera, bro.
Yes, go in, take out.
12.
Good fucking. Oh, that's that dog mentality. Yo, he low-key went off though.
I'm like, bro, nigga, what's up? Bro, I don't know how many times I was wide ass open right here in the phone. I'm like,
Oh, and he crashed out at you.
yeah, give me the fucking ball.
Shot clock, shot clock.
Bro, I could have had like. Nah, but you reacted to what? You didn't say anything. You kind of like. I know, cause I know how to fucking play.
Yeah.
Compared to Gable, come on now.
Yeah.
It's like this.
Speaking of
It's
Gable.
like this.
Like this.
First game, but
I got 17 on the shot clock. Game clock. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9,
Talk to
8,
Rob.
7,
Pull that
6,
shit. Green.
5,
FN.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Good.
Yes!
Yeah! Game over.
You got it.
Did you celebrate like that? Yeah.
Love you, Mom.
Holy shit.
I think Anthony should never come back.
That's to be a good
Go to the field.
I hope the camera pictures of Anthony.
Did he show you his house? Like my dad that one time? How many shots going out with him?
What shot were?
Fucking kill. Limit. We're a fish, man.
What?
Did you do summer? Yeah, he did. Maybe do this if they got me. Oh, when he got done. You took SLS?
Oh
Took
yeah.
SLS and then ENC
Like
11.
that.
Any hoes?
Like that.
Nah, everyone's weird.
Yeah, facts.
I mean, SLS?
SLS got
SLS? Some
SLS got free.
SLS. Honestly, gets free.
Nah, it was my age, so I was like weird. Yo, I made one friend, like he was chill.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Bark, Dalton.
Oh yeah. Oh
Good
yeah.
take.
It's gonna be a fight.
At dirty again.
Over under 1.0.
Me too. It was my highest scoring game.
Good pass. Go up, Edward. Take off. Hey, Alex! Oh my God. He's gonna cut.
We're getting bullied.
What? 31-27, Green's up.
What's the okay one?
Huh? Yeah, stop.
Hey, bloopers for hoopers, right there.
Everyone dunk that. Hey, dunk that next time.
Tell him hush, Rob.
Oh, they're down two.
Give him the points already.
Oh, behind him.
Three. Now you gave him the points already, right?
Yeah.
Dalton Ramon. It's okay. Wait, is Dalton what? Nah, switch that loud.
Okay, ball.
Is anyone good? Like that one time where
Bite that shit.
one time we watched and the next team comes to the
Carlos,
Yo.
Huh?
Carlos Twitter?
Yeah.
I mean, what's the MVP? James or no one? I got snubbed last year for MVP. They gave it to James. He didn't even accept the award.
Put it up.
James dunked.
30-31.
What happened? 31-31?
It's 30-31.
Nah, yeah, 27. It went to 29.
I had 31-31.
Go ahead, D.
It's 30-31.
Who's up? Who's up, Dom?
Oh my God, that was so crazy.
Watch your shot. Someone take 1 point away from Viper. Why? Because it's 30, not 31.
Get it together, guys. And one. Not a cutscene, Dalton.
Good job. Stop floating, Dalton.
Oh, what? Oh man, Dalton's gonna hit Dom. Wait, go hit him. Go hit the ref. Go hit the ref. Oh my God.
He stopped me playing.
He said he was gonna check Dom.
He fucking made game ball.
On it.
Down by time?
You're down one.
What is it, 50-point game? 43-22? Yeah, every time I learn to look at it. Wait, did he hit the first one?
What the heck?
Let's go! 33-30!
Hey, 59 rolling.
Good pass. Yeah, no, Dom said you guys got 30. Floater!
Oh, hell no. Yeah, good move, boy. Good move. Yes, sir, good move.
I can't see that back there.
Score is 45-24.
Stop. Stop.
45.
Did you call a foul?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, Tyler's gonna get beat up. Oh no. Wait, están poniendo a
I'm
la
getting in trouble now.
Oh, that roll.
Fix it.
Mix it. Oh, that's backwards. I know he's never done like that.
Go Hornets.
Was that a foul, dog? I like it. Whoa! Good shot, boys!
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Good shot.
Wait a minute.
27-45. 7:24 on the clock.
What's the score?
27-45. The minute.
On the clock.
How much time is in that game?
7.
7:24. You got something to beat, Jojo?
I want to go take a fucking shower.
What?
Bang.
How would you know that?
You can smell it while you're moving.
Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
That's crazy.
My shit won't ever. Did you make the
That's
first
a
one?
problem.
Did you make the first one?
Bobby's doing good.
I don't think so. I'm gonna told me.
30-38.
Pressure? What pressure? Oh, that's all wrong.
Come on, D.
Good pass. Let it fly.
Yo, that's up.
What?
It's a boom.
It happens. If you're like hustling, playing defense,
Yeah,
like the game I play right now, I think I played pretty good. Defense for the most part, but I had like 5 points. It was like a low score.
Very low score. I mean, it turned up a little in the second half.
650 rolling.
It was 10-9 at the end of the first.
Yeah. That was halftime, right?
Oh, that's that football D, boy.
3.
Right on there!
He threw a prayer.
What?
He threw up a prayer, and it was answered.
I thought you told him to purr.
That's great.
Oh, D, don't give up on it. Oh, shit, he got it right.
Another watch.
Keep check.
Oh,
my
hell.
God. That's a good shot. Good the heat check. After the 5th minute. I need it. Good pass. You're quicker, D.
Oh, yeah.
Oh!
602.
Good pass. Wait till I
Wow.
have Like, G.
49-30.
Now you're good.
49-30.
Why?
This is the last 9 minutes, right?
Tyler, what's your
Yeah.
nickname?
Huh?
What's your nickname?
Ooh!
40-36.
Uh-oh. 33-49.
No,
Yeah.
0.
All right.
40-36.
Go back up.
Talk for yourself, Dalton. Pull?
Yeah, give me one.
Wait, you gotta take it back.
Let it go. You have to take it back.
That's a tank. It's the tank.
Yeah. No, it's not. It's Viper's fault. Cooley stole it, and then he stole it right back. It's still a steal. You still gotta take it back.
I've never gotten rejected.
No, it's Viper's fault.
The one time I almost hit the
I
red.
want to though.
You wanna get a touch?
Yeah, let me do it.
What's that shit up? Jump. Yeah.
Good D, bro. Be strong, Rob.
Every time.
Wait, go hit him. Is that the first charge of all time? He's tried that like 8 times.
Nah,
Too much space!
That's pretty.
Nah, they call it charge on James.
Oh, that was bad. Yeah, that's when he threatened to kill Don Fulton.
Sit there.
I was like, James, chill, I had to pet him. James didn't return to a game for like 6 games and then they lost it.
Hey, no mercy call.
Take a charge on offense.
Yeah.
Ooh, Dalton's getting toxic. Oh, check him up. Oh, your ball, your ball. Nice, be nice. We're all friends at the end of the day. Remember when the guy on the Hurricane said he was going to grab the kid?
That training program at Braddock is
Yeah, D.
I'm letting him shoot! The Monstars. You know someone on the Hurricanes actually told them they were going to grab it to a point. And they got a text. They got what did he say? Oh, yeah, I think he said you were going to grab it.
You played them last.
Yeah, we're running.
We lost by 50.
I saw you.
You guys actually beat us last year.
What's in the first?
Huh?
You guys beat us last year, remember? The last game was beat us.
That one we need because we're in.
You guys made the play. You guys made the playoffs.
Yeah.
Playing.
We let you go.
But you guys won the play, right?
Last shot, last
Yeah,
shot.
we're
Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, good pass.
9, 3.
God damn! Good pass. No hesitation, just penetration.
Oh, man.
Nobody scored right in the past 5 minutes.
40-36, you're up. 36? 36, yeah. You're up 4. 40 to 36. You're down 4.
Go home.
That's
This is a game.
right now. Nothing will be fed. If you were there, I think you would have been.
Hey, oh.
There you go. Good time.
2
Make it
minutes.
corrupt. 40-38.
Ooh. Yo,
What's his
158.
name? Hurricane.
You're up.
What's the score?
That's it.
What's the score in that game? Wait, that is
What? Got beat?
They faded. David being faded. Next time I get subbed on the game, I'm going to be faded.
Oh, hell no.
43-38.
35, I think. 38.
What?
35-38?
No, 38-60.
Oh, okay.
16?
That was a
60,
big
60, 60.
That was a big error.
How about
Well,
you said 35?
45-38. I was like, hold up.
It was off 25 points.
Oh,
I thought you were about to say a close game. This one's good.
Wait, so I finished?
3 point
nah,
game.
nah. They got 158 left.
I mean, it's still a game.
But this one, though.
Who's up? Hurricane? Yeah. What is it, 40-43?
40 to 43. How the fuck is that?
I'm not even like looking at points.
They only got spots.
All about the games, baby.
Hey, with this win, does it put us in?
We're 4-2 right now.
We got 4-2 or 1-1.
5-1.
Live in the shot, live in the shot.
Yeah.
They're second. So we're probably third. We gotta be third or fourth.
41-43.
41-43.
Timeout, Hurricane.
That's 4-2.
Yeah! 1 minute left.
No! You're good. Head up.
I listen. That's a good pass right there.
Oh, good shit, Rob.
43, 43.
Oh, here we go. No.
All tie game.
That's fucking clutch, boy. He got sick.
24.
Can't hear that. Everybody silent. Bro, I can't play without taking my right. Here we go. Oh, can he say that?
Oh! Yeah, big body!
45. Prime Rob?
Are they not up too?
9 seconds.
No, 45. Right, down. 45.
I got 9 seconds.
45.
9.
Oh!
8, 7,
That's a big shot.
5, 4.
Take over. Oh, he's hot. I like it. I like it when Rob plays with confidence. First one of the game. D.
66-40. Bertinelli.
No way. I was about to say. Oh, shit. Whoa. The hell was that for?
Right that I want.
Don't you play football? Hey, Dom.
He's
We get the phones for the picture.
He's QB.
No, I said there's got to be QB to hit.
You need to toe tap that.
66-40.
Take another charge, Jose.
Joe scored 66-40.
11:04.
What's the score? 66-40. Kobe break. What score?
Vigilante.
45. You know it's not gonna be long. Can Rob step up?
Let me get on live real quick. Is this a marquee matchup right now?
No Rapids if you don't win this. Yeah, it's a good match.
It's like a prime time game. They need this.
Yeah, dude. Line? Hey! Yeah, I got line. We need to call that out. Fuck. Probably like two. Oh my. Did he say hard on? He's taking over.
47-45.
3 minutes left. 3 minutos.
The Cuban Vigilante. Stop playing. 11 so.
Oh. So 11. You know his name is Zoella?
Yeah, that's Joella.
He used to be a girl.
Wow.
47-45.
Oh, and the celebration.
LeBron.
So he just threw it in there. Yeah, used to be
What? 47 up.
47 up. 47 up.
Next point wins.
Oh, no way. Come on, Robert.
Watch the camera. Your cheeks are in it.
Good pass.
Appreciate it, dog.
Oh my. Jose Cueto magic. No way.
Oh, no way.
3, 1. Oh, overtime. Nah.
Oh, that's my number right there.
47-47. It's a shootout.
Wow. Wait.
Yeah, no, it's rolling right now.
Shot clock starts at 2.
Yo, camera, no Diddy, yo. No sketch.
No dude.
I'm not gonna lie, this kid's taking over.
It's in.
Pull it! Oh, he got, oh my fucking God. He got scared of King Rob.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Oh my no.
Dog.
Oh no. Hit him with a spin move. Hang time. You play 2K? You play Roblox?
He is clutch.
I have Roblox. Wait, wrong team.
He says.
Oh, you're inside?
He said. No, I'm not. I'm just playing like.
What a rebound.
3.
Yesterday, I heard about it.
No, I'm saying like, how do you actually do that shit?
20.
Jumbo.
Bro, I heard about VR Flex yesterday. Oh, God. No, bro, apparently you can actually like do that.
Hurricanes on this side.
Or like you hump the iPad.
Jojo.
If you're charged your back.
Yeah, it's like.
Oh, shit, Jojo. Wait, Jojo's a Panthers fan?
You're 2 minutes away from this part? Oh, yeah.
16, 15,
That's a fucking dagger.
14,
The dagger!
13, 12, 24,
Prime Rob.
23,
Dalton. Dalton.
20,
Oh.
24,
Who's gonna bite the fucking bone?
22, 21, 24,
Who's gonna bite the bone?
22.
48, 47. Oh, I don't rob. I got auto rob.
What's what?
48-47. Dalty. Clutch time.
Hurricanes up 1.
Wait, what about the crew? What about the crew? You didn't hit the crew shuffle. Huh? The crew shuffle.
Let's go, Viper ball, Viper ball.
For sure, Crony.
1:30 left. Hurricanes up 1.
What's the rob take? What's the rob take?
He's too little, Rob.
No! How legends fall.
Are we in bonus?
It's too high pressure. Is he washed?
Walking the strip, she gon' make it.
Oh.
Rest in the first.
Come on, Rob.
You can do it. Let's go, 33.
Yeah.
Oh, clutch.
48, 48.
33 on the
All time.
33 on the court, number 1 in my butt.
49, 48.
Vipers up 1.
49, 48.
24, 23,
Oh, by
22,
6.
21,
No, you can't call that.
19,
No fouls are being called. It's
18,
ball right now.
17, 16,
I grew up in a fucking trench.
24, 23,
I say you play the foul game.
21,
Start punching people.
Dagger.
Look, close game. I launched it.
I start sword fighting.
15,
You too little. Too little.
51,
Come on, Rob.
48, 51, 48,
Let's go, baby. 51, 48.
24, 23,
Not good, that was tough.
22, 21, 20, 19, 18,
First one of the game. Save, save, boy, save it, save it. Wow. Niengo, Niengo.
Let's fucking go, Zol. Yeah.
That was tough. 20, 21. Does he have all 50? Holy.
That was tough.
51, 50.
Isn't that a tie game? If they make
Having
it.
the shot, 51, 50.
I thought he played badminton.
Viper go up.
Holy badminton.
Bombo clap.
Oh, no ice. No ice.
Time
Oh,
out,
God.
time out.
On the parking lot, we broke other people's car windows and shit. So bad.
What'd you do?
Hey, what else throw my helmet and shit? No, but then I put it back up and I just started like headbutting.
21, 20,
Wait, but you also played basketball?
18.
Play basketball and football.
Dagger.
What is that? 54-50. Clock don't stop.
Might be your time, Fuero.
Lost by 1. Yeah,
24.
You take basketball school? Excited?
and JV.
Oh, hell no.
No, you don't got to foul. 30 seconds.
Porque en ese tiempo de calentón.
Oh, they're already in the bonus.
Yeah, bro, I have crazy ass. Bro, they had against Beats, they were talking crazy much. When they came out the tunnel, they played the song The Purge in the stadium. It was like, they was trying to talk shit. We were like getting ready for kickoff formation, and they was coming up in our face. And I was like,
Having the shot.
so whatever, at the game, they got fried. They got cooked 50-6. Yeah, I used to talk that crazy.
55, 50. 29 seconds remain.
And I was like,
24 seconds on the
it was
shot
the
clock.
DP was
29
guarding
game
close as
clock.
fuck, right? So it was stopping film like this. Yeah, soft as fuck. I went,
21.
go ahead. I get out the quick fade.
Shot clock is off. Shot clock is
I
off.
bumped his ass, but I fell. Like when I bumped, like I dove. So I did like the Jarvis Landry shit when he was in his office.
Alright, I got it out here, right?
I'm like, fuck nigga, guard up. Push that nigga, do that shit in, I'm trying to guard me again. And I told coach, he gets smashed. Stop that shit. So they did that. I'm like,
Oh, he gave it to you?
yeah. Touchdown. I'm like, nigga, look at the scope. Look, I went like this. His teammate was like, trying to get up on my face. had so much fun in football.
I think you guys are really good,
50.
right?
Yeah.
Half of the shot.
No. When we played Columbus, that was a crazy. That was like the toughest game. I almost took a punt return to the crib.
15. 17.
My offense punted, right?
15. 14.
But the punter was like not really a punter. It's just whatever. He punted, but it ended up on our sideline. So I grabbed it. I didn't know I was going for a punt. So I grabbed it, and my coach said, "Run, run!" I'm like, "What?" I'm like, "Oh shit!" I'm taking it on the sideline. And I see this nigga coming over here, but I was thinking of either like cutting back or like just stiffing his ass. But like at that point, it was just so much shit. I was like, "Oh shit, what the fuck?" I'm just running.
Hurt him over.
Huh? No. I was stiffing his ass. I stiffed him, and he pushed me out of bounds. So I went. Then when I fell on top of him, what was that in Disney? But in Disney, you can see like the big ass turf shit. The one kind of below the turf.
6.
That shit was like
5.
wiped out.
4. 3.
Bro, that was like fucking worse, bro. I was like, the trainer had to tape it up.